Alright, I'm going to put this nice clean bottom board on here so they have a good landing board, and take a quick look, a quick peek under the colony while we have a little bit warmer temperatures and relatively still. Well, let's get into it. Well, that's a beautiful sight. They're up in that honey I put out for them already, so that's good. Ha 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 ha! Wow! Wow! What a happy, strong colony. Yes! We're gonna hook them up. Oh yeah. Look at them all. Look at them all. Oh man. They're building up. They're building up. Happy, healthy colony. Look at that big, heavy cluster up the middle. Beautiful. Alright, and here's our old board. We're just going to get the board down. Let's put them back. Oh man, everybody's happier already, even me. Whoops, ladies, you don't want to go on that. Yeah. Touchdown up top, there you go. I know, you're not used to it. It's okay, you'll get used to it. I used to have a nice upgraded runway. That's the $1 billion runway upgrade. Alright, I'm so stoked. This colony is cranking. They're happy and healthy. They're looking really good. I think we're set for a rocking season, and I should be able to do some splits in the not too distant future, and replenish these other hives that we lost and carry on with this excellent genetic line. I'm so stoked. Okay, so I got to find something to stick in there as an entrance restrictor, and then I think they should be good. That bottom board actually has a tremendous amount of space for landing. But I think it's okay, because I think this colony is going to need the room as soon as spring like really truly breaks here. I think they're going to really take off. Awesome to see the fans going, getting my little bit of smoke out of there. Man, I just hit this entrance with a quick puff, and then I hit the top when I opened the top board up top just a little bit, and that's really all I had to use for smoke, and they were very docile. So I don't know if that's just because they're busy or if I'm building rapport with them or whatever, but it's so nice to feel more and more comfortable around them. They really are a docile creature, and really enjoyable to work with and to watch and to learn from. Yeah, trying to find a new landing board. Alright, that's it. I'm going to go find an entrance restrictor to put in here and call it. And then I got the Omark Wellness Net to catch. So I hope you'll tune in for the live stream on that. Alright, just a quick final here. I got a makeshift entrance restrictor in place just to reduce the inbound-outbound zone until we get a little bit warmer weather and the colony gets a little bit bigger and stronger. I just don't want any competition with yellow jackets or anything like that kind of being a problem as the yellow jackets start to open back up, and other attack wasps of sorts. Also, we have a lot of mice around this farm, so that's why the mesh wire over the top, just try and prevent mice from getting in there until, again, until this colony can really ramp up. But having taken a looking inside, having taken a looking inside, all up in my brain thinkings. Sorry, I'm getting carried away with the Rickyisms. Anyway, having taken a look inside and seeing the strength of that colony, I'm very happy, very stoked. I think these guys are going to rock. We should be able to do splits on them soon and rebuild our other hives here, at least get back to 3 again. And hopefully we can do that soon enough and early enough to still have a productive honey season out of all of it. But, you know, we'll see what nature throws at us and how things go. For now, that's it. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop seeds, not bombs.